In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Excel for free legally, without resorting to any shady hacks or unauthorized activations. We'll explore the best and safest methods to get Excel up and running without spending a dime. So, let's dive in and keep your wallets secure and your software solutions above board. The first method we'll look at today is using Excel Online, which is free to use right in your web browser. This method is the easiest and safest way to access Excel without any downloads. All you need to do is head over to office.com and either sign in with your existing Microsoft account or create a new, free one if you don't have one already. Once you're logged in, just click on the Excel icon to start using Excel Online. You'll find it allows you to edit spreadsheets, create charts, and even collaborate in real time with others. Plus, you get up to 5 GB of free storage on OneDrive. It's worth noting, though, that this online version lacks some of the advanced features of the desktop version, such as macros, custom add-ins, or the ability to edit password-protected files. But for basic tasks, it's a perfect, cost-free solution. Next, let's discuss an option available specifically for students and educators through Microsoft 365 Education. If you're affiliated with a school or university, this might be a perfect fit for you. Just visit the Microsoft Education site and sign up using your school-issued email address. If you're eligible, you'll receive full access to Office apps, including Excel, which you can use either online or download onto your device. This means you get the full-featured Excel experience as long as you're enrolled in or employed by an educational institution. However, keep in mind that you will need a valid institutional email and have to meet specific approval requirements to enjoy these benefits. Lastly, there's the 1-month free trial of Microsoft 365 that Microsoft offers, which includes the full suite of Office apps. To take advantage of this trial, go to the Microsoft site, sign up, and enter your payment information. This will give you 30 days of access to the full desktop versions of Excel and all other Office apps. Just a heads up, you need to remember to cancel your subscription before the trial period ends to avoid any charges. This method is fantastic if you need Excel's full power for a short time, like for a particular project. However, keep in mind that this is only temporary and requires a bit of diligence to manage your subscription. By using these methods, you can efficiently and legally access Excel without diving into your savings or compromising on legitimacy. Whether you need quick access for a short period or a longer-term solution while studying, there's an option here that can suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.